guys in Boracay. Breakfast at the room. Look at us at the ground. It's day 8, guys. Oh no, it's raining. Dahil uuwi na kami. It's raining, guys, in Boracay.
Mga ano yan? Ako na nga balo pati ilang.
Breakfast at the room.
Sinakto na po mo. Pa akong kamatis kung ganyan naman.
So, nagbook ako ng extra baggage, 20 kilos lang. Pagtimbang namin, oh no, aabot na ng 40. So, yung ginawa namin, hinatin namin yung box. Diba, ang galing. So, tig 20-20 na lang. Kasi kapag 39, super mahal. 20-20 na lang. That's good.
A few minutes later.
Wala ko lang video na nilag yun ng Villar Romero.
Bilya Romero.
Ay, Villar ini. Villar Romero.
Bye for now, Boracay. We will meet us again.
We're going home.
So, guys, ready na us. Bali, yung flight namin is later pa 4 p.m. Kaso, since yung checkout dito sa hotel is 12, so naka-ready na kami. Look at our baggage, di ba? Ang dami-dami. Ang dami po push cart nila dyan
Let's
sa
go, guys.
Marisan. So, mabigat yan. Thank you, Marson, Boracay Resort, sa mga mababait na staff. Yung maganda dyan, laging naglilinis at laging free ang breakfast. Ikaw na manawa sa silog. At dahil nga nasa beachfront tayo, so lalakad pa rin tayo going to the main road kasi nandun yung service natin.
Sopan yun.
So, walang pay na lakad.
Isopan nyo lang kaya?
Sabi ni Madeir. So guys, nakasakay na kami ng L300. So,
Look at
yun
us
na lang
at the
nilagay
shuttle.
yung mga baggage namin. Sobrang dami nga naman. Ano, di ba? Going to the port. Yung dadaanan mo parang sa ibang lugar. Same. So, ayan may mga puno, may mga bahay. Puntang port. So, I think it's 15 to 20 minutes papuntang port from Boracay. Yan yung mga dadaanan natin. Warning nyo in case pupunta kayo dito sa Boracay.
Ang lalawin, no? Ang lalawin, no? Ang bag? Ang lalawin, no? Nasa port na tayo, guys. We're going to ride the boat again. All aboard!
So guys, kumuha na lang kami here ng porter para sila na magbubuhat ng mga gamit namin kasi mabigat. And then yan, kay Ate Levy, yan, kinuha na lang kami agad ng ticket para hassle-free. Doon na kami pipila para diretso na. Wala lang dyan. So, ayan, papasok na kami dito sa loob ng port para sumakay ng barko. Wow, barko. Boat lang pala.
This is my business, guys, here in Boracay. Ang ngipin pala yun yung Boracay. Yung baggage natin.
Dito rin ba yung mga gamit namin?
Yung mga gamit namin.
Ah, sige. Okay ba namin? Apat.
Mama,
Bimel mama. Kuya Bimel lolo.
lalabay niya yung ay mama ya. Come on. Thank you, thank you. Wait na. Wala number mo. Yan, Kenko. 27. Ano kaya ba yun? Ano number you?
So this ride will, I think it's 15 to 20 minutes also. So ayan, wait tayo hanggang makapag na tayo sa Port ulit. Ang ganda nito. Don't stop when you are done. Stop when you are done. Ganda diba? Tapos meron din sa kabila. Let's read it. So we must accept finite disappointment but never lose infinite hope. By Martin Luther. Parang di siya akma dito sa boat. Dapat dito sa boat, ano eh. Save yourself! Huwag mag-alala. I'm in seat number 27, Dreams and Hope. So with me is Kuya Mark. Then yung iba, ayan sila. So ayan, lalayag na yung ating boat. It's a ferry. So mabilis-bilis siya. Ilang minuto lang, ando na tayo sa Katiklan.
Here. Ano palo? Ti mama palo. Ini. Ngapin. Kagahil. Wala. Basala.
Bali, nandito na tayo sa Katiklan Port. So, after ng mga 5 minutes lang, I think kaya magbaban tayo.
Ate Levy.
Para dalhin tayo naman doon sa airport.
Kaya pa porter
Diba? So,
pala.
sure, dito nakaban. Pero sa kanina, naka L300.
Kinita mo sa lilong.
Daming nagbo-boat transfer. Yan sila, oh. See? Ellie sleeping. Next, George, Ate Lois, Kuya Mark, RJ, and Kenneth.
Here's the band, guys. Here's the band. Puta na ako, tuklok. Can you please handle this, mother? Kung wala kang kakandungan. May patot to J. Ellie. Ilok-lok ko pa na kayo. Alright.
Dito sa Katiklan Port, lahat ng bagsakan ng mga tao here. So marami-rami. So maraming kita yung Boracay, di ba? So, dami ng mga yan, oh.
These are the boys, guys.
So ayan, pupunuin na nila yung van. So sa likod, yung mga luggage namin na napakadami.
Eh nila rin mag-set up. Parang rin yung dagat masyado. Talag tourist oh.
Pinahinigain na. City.
Relax. Ay, habang pila na nito.
Nahinig Goldilocks to eh.
Talag tourist masyado.
Yan pa na na. Hindi ka nung abak marakal sabi na nitang babae.
So FYI lang, yung ride from Katiklan Airport hanggang dito is 5 minutes lang.
Katiklan Airport, guys. Here we go.
Weh? 50.
It's Mojos, guys. We're in gate 5. Starbucks coffee. We're waiting here until we will have a plate.
So dahil na yung flight namin is 4 p.m. Kaya kami nag-stay from 12
Na
to
masukit?
4. Diba? Tsaga. So, umulan pa dyan na malakas. Grabe. Takot kami, kala namin magkaka-turbulence. Alright. Priority kami. Well, sasakay pa pala kaming bus.
Wanita mo rin kita. Ngayon ko may sunod ka ko rin.
Bus 36 and bus 31. Mama. Katampaling lasan. Hands up, Gabriela. Start the bus. There's a rainbow. There's a rainbow always after the rain.
Ay, sila lang masaya, oh. So, nag-wait pa kami sa bus bago dumating yung plane na yun. Kasi yung plane na yan may sakay ng mga tao papunta dito sa Boracay. So, sila masasaya. Siyempre, papunta pala sila sa Boracay. Kasi kami, dahil pauwi na, sad.
Sulagan di Miley. Bob.
Report for Clark. In command of the aircraft is Captain John Glenn Abao, and being assisted by First Officer Orville Anyana. Our flying time is approximately 45 minutes.
Fasten seatbelt sign. At this time, make sure that window shades are up, tray tables are stowed, seat backs are in their upright position, and your seatbelts are secure.
yung flight from Clark to Boracay is 45 minutes. Kasama na dyan yung landing at saka yung take-off. Medyo maulap siya, kaya during this period, nagka-turbulence. Tingnan nyo. Oh, di ba? Nahulog yung mga puso nila. So, we landed at Clark International Airport.
Hello everyone, we have just landed at Clark International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Clark. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication and the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you don't leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead vents as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team and of our flight deck crew, Captain Abba with First Officer Anyana, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure having you all aboard, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
New Year.
Carousel number 5 naman ang check-in bago. Check ko ka ng trading step. Nung malaki tas sakit tagatan natin, mas panamdamang ito.
Mapin.
At yung tamong kinan niya, no? Pinugtas. Ang rival din sa rival lang.
Because the meat there are premiums.
We asked the driver or service if we do not
Ellie, what happened to you, baby?
Right, you're not like nothing. He's gonna wait for you.
Yes, we're gonna wait for us.
We are rolling here.
Yeah. Sa Kenny Clark ko. Ne? Wala ka nung aircon, ano, mama? Wala ka nung aircon. Sabi na kasi dati, niyang papunta. Kakakita mo kasing kahit kantay eh. Araw, di ba? El Nido yan eh. O ba't El Nido yun?
Puta ba, Adelo?
Huh?
Ito na nga tambak.
Ito, bag ng orange.
Laden box, dala na laki kayo.
Arrival, guys. So, dito sa Clark International Airport, it's so maganda. Number 2. Oversized bags.
Look at them. Reclaiming the baggage, guys. Oh, Cookie Monster! Cookie Monster is here! Cookie Monster! Cookie Monster! Come on, baby. Yes, that's Cookie Monster. What's this? Kang George. Gusto ba? George. Yan yung box. The box. Kanina yun eh, John? John, is this yours? Sunod-sunod na pala rin kaya katama. Oh, itang gulong. The wheel. The wheel barrow. Oh, Kenneth. Is this yours, Kenneth? Kanam? Kanina yun eh, may bigtos na. Kenneth. Epekto siya Kenneth. Ay, nining ka ko. G. Epekto siya. Ayan, kaya ko. J. J. Ano yun pa? Sakto na lata eh. These are the last one. These are the last two. Alright guys, are we complete now? Are we good? May pigtas siya? Aro?
Ang mabaya aladaya, syempre, bit-bitan ba?
Kaya nga niyan daw siguro din. Apya, 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 apya. Tingnan package. Eh, may bus-bus siya oh. Magsunang linwal.
Sira ka lang rin. Kikini mga sira.
Ayan, I think cookie ay ka naman.
Kaya ako na mo. Kaya ako na mo. Sige. Tambag na rugo may sira yun. Okay na. Okay na. Kaya ako na mo kay Ninette mabayad yata yung bag mo.
Hindi na yung madaan.
Ito.
Oo, walo lang maliit to. Tatlong kain pa.
Bye-bye, Ellie. Buwan na yan, kabait na na. Bye, Clark. We're here. Kickstart at Clark. What's ito? Nandito yung ground floor? Ground? Miss, where are you, Miss? Patawli ka? Oh, it's so hot here. Oh, it's hot. Ate, English kang English pero makalagay domestic. love the Philippines.
Thank you for watching.
Diba?
See you again on our next travel.